Skip the phone lines, contacting Capital One without calling. Ever stared down a phone number, willing yourself to dial, but that tiny voice inside screams avoid? You're not alone. Phoning customer service can feel like a gamble. Will you get a helpful rep or be stuck in an endless hold loop? If Capital One is the source of your phone avoidance anxiety, then fret no more. Here in this video, we'll crack the code on contacting Capital One without that dreaded phone call. Capital One's chat crusader, Eno, to the rescue. First up, meet Eno, Capital One's virtual assistant. Think of Eno as your friendly financial sidekick, ready to answer your questions and handle basic tasks 24/7. Here's the best part. You can chat with Eno through multiple channels. The Capital One mobile app, this is probably the most convenient option. Just launch the app, tap the help menu, and select Chat with Eno. Eno will be waiting to chat. Text messaging. For those who prefer texting, you can enable texting with Eno by signing into your Capital One account online. Once enabled, you can text Eno directly from your phone. Online banking. Similar to the mobile app, you can access Eno through the help menu within your online banking portal. What can Eno do for you? While Eno can't handle everything a human representative can, it's surprisingly capable. Here are some tasks Eno can tackle. Make a payment. Need to settle that credit card bill? Eno can walk you through the payment process. Check your balance. Running low on funds? Eno can provide your current account balance. Report a lost or stolen card. Misplaced your plastic? Eno can help you disable your card and potentially even expedite a replacement. Schedule a payment. Want to avoid late fees? Eno can help you set up a future payment. General account inquiries. Have a question about your account? Eno might have the answer you seek. The power of secure messaging. Another way to ditch the phone is through Capital One's secure messaging system. Accessible through your online banking portal, secure messaging allows you to send detailed messages to a customer service representative who will respond within one business day. This option is ideal for complex issues that require more personalized attention. Remember the FAQs. Before diving into chat or secure messaging, don't underestimate the power of Capital One's frequently asked questions, FAQs, section on their website. This treasure trove of information tackles a wide range of topics, from managing your account to understanding specific card benefits. Chances are, your question might already be answered there, saving you valuable time. Social media, a public platform for private issues? While Capital One doesn't officially endorse contacting them via social media for sensitive account-related issues, some customers have reported success with reaching out through Twitter or Facebook for basic inquiries. However, be cautious when sharing personal information on public platforms. The bottom line, empowering your contact options. By equipping yourself with these alternatives, you can confidently navigate your Capital One needs without picking up the phone. Remember, Eno, secure messaging, and the FAQ section are all valuable tools at your disposal. So next time you need to contact Capital One, ditch the phone anxiety and explore these convenient, phone-free options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.